Hello, I saw your question about factoring. You want to use a particular technique. I usually use trial and error, but here we have grouping. So you have 9y squared plus 9y plus 2. This grouping technique, it's kind of helpful sometimes when the leading coefficient's not 1. In this case, it's 9. So if you multiply that 9 times the 2 there, you get 18. That's the first step. So we need a product that's 18, and we need a sum that's this middle number here, 9. And so 6 and 3, if you multiply, you get 18. If you add, you get 9. So you want to take the middle term here, the 9y, and break it up into 3y and 6y. Then, so you take this trinomial and you write it into 4 terms where you're breaking up the middle term, 2 parts. Then you want to do the factor by grouping. You want to look at the first pair and see what do the first pair have in common. Well, they both have a 3y in common. So you want to factor that. 3y times 3y would be 9y squared. 3y times 1 would be 3y. Then you want to pair the last 2 terms and factor the GCF, and they both have a 2 in common. So you can check it. 2 times 3y would be 6y. 2 times 1 would be 2. And now, if you look at this term and this term, they both have a 3y plus 1 in common. So you factor it, and you're left with 3y plus 2. And so we factored this by a technique called grouping. You can check this. If you multiply this, you should come back right to where you started. Hope this helps.